at this brisket. Is that not gorgeous? Look at that fat cap right there. It's a big cap of fat right there. It's gonna melt right into this, guarantee it. Infusing this with some flavors. The brisket comes from right underneath your chest, right under the ribs, right there. Fatty piece of meat, kind of tough. So what we gotta do? We gotta love it up. We're gonna do that with a rub. We're gonna do that with some basting sauce, and we're gonna do that with some smoke. Look underneath here. Is that not gorgeous? Let's first start loving this up with some rub, okay? Start out with a little salt. Some coarse salt right here, okay? How about some chili? Heat some things up and a little bit of flavor. Loving the chili. A little paprika, a little smokiness, another hit of flavor. Look at this, some cumin. A little cayenne for some heat. Oh, you like it hot? I'm from Texas, I like it hot. And some dry mustard for some tartness. There we go. And that, folks, is your rub. Now, all these are granular in texture. It's gonna help us creating micro pockets in here, little tiny tears in the meat, helping us infuse flavor and breaking down the toughness of the meat. By the time we're through with this, it's gonna be ours. It's gonna be delicious, soft, moist, and tender. Take the rest, put it on the bottom, do the same thing, rub it in there. Just because it's inexpensive doesn't mean it can't be good, and that's exactly what we're gonna do. Now, that's gonna go in the fridge overnight if you can, maybe a day, maybe two. You go to college, come back with your degree. We're still good to go with that piece of brisket right there, okay? I'm gonna make you a mop. We're gonna hit it with another douse of flavor, okay? Start with a little ketchup here. You like ketchup, don't you?
Yeah.
A mop ain't nothing but a fancy term for basting sauce. I'm gonna baste it up. When I end up barbecuing, to catch all these juices, and reuse it to baste it up. A little beef stock here, okay? Beef stock for a little hit of beef flavor, a little Worcestershire. Some chili, some heat. Nice. Some garlic, a little flavor. A little onion powder, a little more flavor. Can't have garlic without onion. And a little celery salt, just a little dash of that. How about a little tartness? A little lemon, juice. Oh yeah, got a good grip on it that time. All right, now look, we're gonna put this over on the simmer for 20 minutes, okay? Got my mop right here, see that? We're just gonna do it Texas style, go over here to barbecue and low and slow cook this bad boy. Come on. Let's take a look at this barbecue right here. Oh, very nice. Smoke pouch is doing its magic. Look at that. Applewood smoke pouch. Now make sure when you're making a smoke pouch, it's not so big where it covers your entire heat element, okay? You want the heat to be able to come around it and infuse the flavor of that smoke into your piece of meat. It's exactly what we got going here. Heat over here, no heat there. Got a drip pan underneath here, catching all those wonderful juices, burning off there. Melting into that big piece. Look at that. That's like a big old big mouth bass or something. Right? That is huge, man. That just gets me excited right there. That's beautiful, man. Now we're just gonna let that smoke get acquainted for that 6 hours. That's for 6 hours we gotta do this. Make sure you got 6 of those smoke pouches. You're gonna baste this with this mop and sauce every hour. So and that's about the time you're gonna need to change your smoke pouch, okay? Shut this down. You got 220 Fahrenheit, 110 Celsius for 6 hours. Close it down, just like your oven at home. Slide back here. See what we got after 6 hours time. Are y'all ready for this? Yeah! Here we go. Oh, that is crazy. That is beautiful. Magic of slow cooking right there. Barbecue, I'm gonna go ahead and pour some on there. Baste it one more time. Yeah, you can with me if you want. That looks great. Now look, we've taken care of this big piece of meat. We broke it down. Broke it down with a rub. We broke it down, put it in the fridge. We broke it down with the mopping sauce. the smoke for 6 hours. We're not ready yet. Got to take it off the grill, cover it with foil, tin it for 30 minutes, let it relax, and we are oh so close to eating. Are you ready? Yeah. Hey, Road Grill appreciates that. We got this fun time at the fair, and we've been fixing up some serious time barbecue for you. Right here. Got the brisket. We've rubbed it. We've mopped it. We've slow smoked it. Now we just got to show this to you. Y'all ready? Yeah! That's the Russell we know and love. Oh, baby. And just start cut. Oh, you're going to love this. Oh, Maddie. Maddie, Carrie, Jenna, Charlotte, we did it again. We did it again. Oh, man. That looks delicious. The juice. Matt, you're going crazy with the juice. We love it. Oh, yeah. I just lost my composure. Oh, this is awesome. Does that look great? Oh.